Today I am coming to you from Budapest in Hungary, and it's a popular city for remote workers because of the cafe culture and also the low cost living and fantastically high speed internet. I want to be 100% honest with you all and say that none of these ideas are going to make you money overnight. You are going to need to build an audience or network, and that takes time, it takes patience, it takes dedication. So bear that in mind. There's no such thing as easy money making online. Okay, let's get into how to make money online. Number one, create yourself a blog and make money online. No, sorry, being honest, no. If you are thinking that you can create a blog and write content and make money online and live a very comfortable life, you're gonna be disappointed. What you need to do instead is have a service or a product, which we're going to talk about a little bit later, and instead promote that service or product on your website by writing content. If you are a fantastic writer, then there's opportunities that you might get writing gigs. Maybe you'll get speaking engagements, but to write a blog and make a living off things like Google AdSense and banner ads and sponsorships is near impossible in 2018. The second way that you can make money online is by working with clients as a freelancer. So maybe you've got a skill that a company is looking for. Then you can work as a freelancer. You can do that work for the companies, for the clients, so that they don't have to employ somebody to do that work. And you need to really think about what skills you have, and having a network is incredibly important. I can't stress enough how important having a network is to build up a client base, and that does take time. But think about the skills that you've got. What kind of work can you do online? Nowadays there are so many different types of roles that you can do. You can be an accountant, you can even be a solicitor, a writer, a graphic designer. There's a perception that to be able to work online you need to be a developer, and that might have been the case maybe a year or two ago, but definitely not anymore. There's more and more jobs coming onto the market for people who have got a wide range of skills. If you don't want to work with clients and do the work for them, maybe you can teach them how to do it and instead create an online course on the skill that you have. So if you are a fantastic writer, you can tell people how to create content, how to be a storyteller, how to craft the content. So there's lots of ways that you can do by teaching online. There's sites like Udemy where you're able to upload a course to their website, promote your course on social media and also on the platform, and you can make money that way. Again, it all takes time. You need to have an audience to be able to sell a course and make money from it. A lot of people ask me about TEFL, teaching English as a foreign language, and what I've noticed over the last year is that there's more companies allowing you to teach English as a foreign language over the internet. All you need is a good connection and a web camera, and you can basically dial into their platform and share your knowledge and skills as an English teacher. You don't have to go to Vietnam or Thailand. You can do it from the comfort of your home, wherever you are living. Another way to make money is to be a contractor and work for companies worldwide. And I find that that is the best way to make money over a longer period of time. My contract, the last contract, I was working for 20 months, but contracts can range from a month, 6 months, 12 months or longer. And this means that you're getting a regular amount of income into your bank account, and that allows you to manage your money better. It allows you to save and plan ahead a little bit. So contracting is a really good thing to do if you're wanting something more long term, but not too much long term. There are advantages and disadvantages of working as a contractor, and I'll talk about them in a future video. Another way to make money online is by selling a product. Now this product can be as simple as a book, an ebook that people download. It could be a course, a membership site, Maybe you have some merchandise, maybe you're a graphic designer and you can create your own t-shirts or mugs or any other type of merchandise, and you can sell that to your audience. Now just have a think about your interests again, what niche you want to go in, what products you want to create. But you do need an audience. It's very difficult to make money from a product without that audience. You can use, you know, places like Facebook ads to promote the products. That's definitely one way of getting money into your business, but obviously you need to spend money to make money. The next few ideas will help you make money online, but not enough money to live on this alone. So the first thing is stock photography and video. If you have a 4K camera and a drone, then you can create high quality content and upload it to stock sites like Adobe, and you can make money when people purchase that content. Great way to make money. It takes time. It's important to promote the content that you've uploaded on your social media channels, on your website, but it is a great way to make additional money as you are traveling. Another way to make money is YouTube, and I'm laughing at this because it's taken me 4.5 years to make a fairly regular income from YouTube, but very small amounts of money, the minimum you can basically earn to get paid from YouTube every month. But over the year that does help me upgrade my cameras. I'm currently in the process of buying a Sony A7 Mark III, which I'm really looking forward to getting my hands on. So yes, throughout the year it does help me to upgrade my production equipment, like my cameras and tripods and things like that. So if you are somebody that has a passion about something, a topic, maybe about traveling or writing or crafts or whatever, you can create videos, share your experiences. I think it's really interesting that you have a personality, probably something that I struggle with a little bit, and also something interesting to talk about, because that does help you grow much quicker if you are focused. And that's something that I haven't been for the last 4 years, and which is the reason why I'm creating a little bit, you know, different content here on the channel. And now explorers, it's time for me to jump on my bicycle and head back to do some work. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I'll be back starting from Sunday, where I'll be exploring Budapest and sharing what life is like living here. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you soon.